Hi, my name is Igal with Response Crew. It's a handyman service. And today what I'm going to show you how to do, computers not related to handyman. I was looking for a solution for my office. I wanted everybody to have 3 screens instead of 2. And this is my solution. So I bought this Nuc. The Nuc is it's a 10th generation i5 16 gigabyte DDR. Around 520 bucks on Amazon. To convert it, so if you look up in the specs on Intel's website, you'll see that it supports 3 screens, but it actually only comes with 1 port HDMI. In order to have it work with 3 screens, what you do is you buy this lid. The lid is just a dual HDMI lid for a Nuc. You can see here the lid. It has 2 ports of HDMI, and you can see my original computer only has 1 port of HDMI. Let me bring you up to speed what I did until now. So what I did until now is I removed the old lid. The old lid just has 2 little notches on the side. It's a screwdriver. Gently, you can pop it out. Put the old lid aside, you will not be using that again. On the bottom of the Nuc, this is the bottom. 4 screws. You unscrew them, this whole thing comes off. The lid has only really one way to sit on the Nuc. So you figure out how it sits. And if you look on the opposite side of it, and I'm not taking it apart just because I ran the wire and I don't want to do it twice. You can see here 2 USB ports, those 2 gray ports. And this is going to connect to one of them. It doesn't really matter which one, but I'm connecting it to the inner one. Let me just show you that it is on the 2nd port, basically the inner port. The lid just snapped right in. That is how the computer is going to look. Put back these 4 screws. There we go. There's actually a little bit of a couple of markings here that need to fit right in. So when you're putting it in, you'll see that there's 2 markings here I saw and 1 marking here. A regular screwdriver. Put that back in. You should be able to use 3 screens with this computer. That's it. Thanks. Have a good day.